Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Secureworks, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in cybersecurity with Secureworks, start by understanding the company's core offerings. Familiarize yourself with the cybersecurity landscape and the growing importance of these services. Visit the Secureworks website to learn about their services, including threat detection and response. Review their recent performance reports to get insights into their financial health. Consider the types of investments available, such as stocks, funds, or ETFs focused on cybersecurity. Create an account on a trading platform that offers access to Secureworks shares. Conduct thorough research on Secureworks competitors to assess market positioning. Analyze the current trends in cybersecurity, including emerging threats and technologies. Look for news articles and analyses focused on industry forecasts to gauge future growth potential. Once you're informed, decide how much you're willing to invest based on your risk tolerance. Place your buy order on the trading platform, ensuring you select the right stock symbol for Secureworks. Consider using limit orders to control the price you pay for shares. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on Secureworks' performance and market conditions. Keep an eye on financial news specific to cybersecurity to identify potential opportunities or risks. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your portfolio as needed based on market dynamics and secure your investments in related sectors. Stay informed about cybersecurity regulations and policies that could impact Secureworks and the broader industry. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized investment advice in cybersecurity. By following these steps, you can effectively invest in cybersecurity through Secureworks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.